Hi guys, so today we are going to do an Amazon haul. Yes, I'm super excited to show you guys the stuff that I got. Okay guys, so I was shopping on Amazon at like 12 a.m. I was gonna say p.m. but it was midnight, and I got carried away. So we're just gonna get into what I got from Amazon. So I honestly don't remember what I got because this was a while ago that I ordered these things, but Coco is curious as well. So the first thing I got was this tongue scraper. It comes with two and it's 100% stainless steel, and I got one from me and Angel. So we're gonna scrape our tongues and hopefully have better dental hygiene because that's always great. So okay guys, so my second package. So guys, when I purchased these items, I made sure that I did my research because I checked like everything that's close to it and like what the price is, what the ratings are. I forgot. Okay, so these are, I don't know if you've seen them, but they are the famous TikTok leggings. I'm gonna open them and show you guys. But basically it's supposed to make your butt look fabulous, and there was all these like reaction videos of wives trying their leggings on for their husband, and their husband was like, dang girl. I'm not gonna do that video, but you know, it's nice to do that at home. But it has this texture, if you can see. It's supposed to just insinuate your, or it's supposed to enhance your curves. So we shall see. It came in a 2-pack with the green as well as black. So love that. I know what this is already, but we're gonna, it's actually in really crappy packaging because anyone could open this. It's a bathtub, like, I don't know what you call this, but like, you can put your wine glass, you can prop your phone up. What is this called? So it's like a bathtub caddy tray. I don't know, but yeah, super excited about that because I've been getting more experimental with my bath. So I love that. I'm excited about that. And then we have a big box here. I think this is a couple of different stuff. So let me open it. Okay, so this is actually a bunch of stuff. So I'll start with this. This is basically like the really small binders. I ordered this because I like to keep all of my car documentation in here. I just put it in this and it's like protected. So yeah, it's super cute, super convenient. In case anything, I can always pull this out and be ready and organized with all my documentation just in case shit gets real. Next was this 2-piece set for home. It's all cotton. It's 100% cotton, but it's like this tie-dye pajama set. It's shorts and a top. I got is for Coco. So this is actually something that's gonna help with bathtub time with her because she doesn't like taking baths, but it's a dog lick mat. So you just put like peanut butter or whatever on this, and it takes her some time to like lick everything out. So it comes with, I think this is a cleaner for it, and then for you to spread like the peanut butter. I thought this was so cute, and I think that she'll be loving her bath time more. So we're upgrading my bath as well as her baths. So excited about this. Okay guys, so we're continuing this box. Okay, this is a universal dust cleaning gel for your car. So you're supposed to just be able to take it out of this thing, and it looks like slime, but you just pick up like all the dust. We'll see how that goes. Next, oh, I got these mask brushes. They came in a set of 3, and I think they're silicone brushes, but just for you to put your mask on evenly and have like a more spa-like experience. I do it with my fingers, but I feel like this would just be so much nicer. And it comes in a pack of 3, so I can share. That means Bestie's getting one and Mama's getting one. So, oh, I forgot I ordered this. I ordered this organic neem oil. If you guys don't know the benefits of neem oil, please look it up. It is so good. It has like just a lot of benefits for house stuff, for your skin, for your nails. So just 100% pure neem oil. Oh, I got this dress. I'm so excited to try it on. I'll try it on, and if it looks good, I'll show you guys. If not, you won't see it. It's this super cute dress for like summer. I don't know, it's looking small. We'll see. I think it's like from Shein, and that brand doesn't roll well with me. I don't know what's in here. Oh, I do know what's in here. It's for So I take my handy dandy scissor, cut through this tape. And it's for her. So it's a sushi tray thing, so she has to like move it around and guess where the treats are. And maybe I'll do like a dog favorite video, because I have a lot of dog stuff and I order a lot of dog stuff because hello, she's my princess. Okay, so next is this Aurelus brand. It is lights. I didn't know it came with more than one. I thought it was just one, but it is just one. So it actually has all these different colors, but it's lights for underwater. So this is for the bathtub. Remember I was telling you I was upgrading my bath experience? So it comes with all these little suction things to put underneath the water so it sticks. And then it also comes with a little remote, so you can adjust it. It actually says pool lights, but whatever. I mean, you can make my bath is my pool. I'm always in my bath, so whatever. We'll see how that works. And I also got this Felix. It's a cleaning brush solution. I can show you all of them right here. These are all my brushes, and I don't even use all of these. But sometimes I just want like a fine tip brush and I only have one, and I don't want to buy another brush when I can just clean it off. One of these super dandy makeup remover sponges. I think I did see this on Bailey Sarian's video, but you just swirl your brush in there and then it comes out clean. Let's try one. It has pink, bright pink. Swirl. I don't know how deep I'm supposed to put it in there, but just swirling away. And wow, it actually worked. I mean, it's not like super clear, but that's amazing for no water and just to like swipe that real quick. We'll see how this works if I really like it, but it's interesting. We'll see. Okay guys, so we are doing the last box. Listen guys, even though I told you that I just purchased this stuff at 12 o'clock, I had this stuff in my cart for like maybe 3 months. And I was just like, you know what, Stacey, make sure you really need these things because we can't just be shopping all willy-nilly. So I did my research, and this doesn't happen often. Definitely still trying to make my home more comfortable for me. So like, you know, making my bath nicer, and just kind of experimenting with new things. It just brings me joy. So I don't do this all the time. But yeah, I was just really excited about this. So I wanted to show you guys. But this is my last item. Is a bath pillow. So it has this suction side to obviously, you know, keep it sticking on the tub, and then you can rest your head and your shoulders on here. It has this little thing. Take this off. We'll find out, but I'm so excited for my baths. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was kind of random, and if you guys are interested in me doing like a separate video for just maybe like dog favorites, because I have a lot of dog stuff. I order a lot of stuff for dogs. Coco's spoiled. So yeah, if you guys want me to do like a separate video on my favorite dog stuff, I can show you guys what I buy Coco, because it's a good investment. But I'm also like, I'm very frugal. So I research and I try to find the best prices. So it's gonna be good stuff. And then if you guys want me to do a bath video, I can do that too. But yeah, anything you want, let me know. I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Got some ideas for maybe things that you want to add to your bathroom, or that you want to get your fur baby, or cute ideas for your closet. I don't know. I got some clothes. All right guys, well thank you so much for watching. Like always, wishing you guys lots of love, happiness, and peace. Bye guys.